Friends, welcome you all to another video, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the green screen stand. So here you can see the back box of this product. Actually I got it from the Amazon for only 1000 rupee, because it is very necessary to which we have that kind of a stand for the green screen setup. So here is the stand. You can see the stand, and initially it was very difficult for me to actually open it and make the setup, but slowly, because the Amazon or the product doesn't come with any manual guide or anything, and therefore I have to do some work on my head, and you know that it is very simple. So guys, my name is Milind, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. So you can see that the stand is like this, and you have to just uh, pull the legs, and in this way it will be very simple. So here the stand on its foots, and here you can make a height of 11 foot, 8 foot. So up to the 8 foot you can put the height, 11 foot you can make its height. So now my height is a 5 foot 7 inch, and actually I'm going to shoot my videos by sitting on the chair, so therefore this height it good for me. And after that, you know that there are two rods, and you have to just fit it in this way. I'm going to show you that how you can shoot it, fix it. So it is very simple. Just you have to fix it like clockwise. You have to move it clockwise, and here is another one. Here is another one, and I'm also going to fix the another one also. So you can see, again you have to fix it like clockwise, and very simply, very easily you can fix it. Now I'm going to put the green screen on it. You can see that after fixing of it, I'm just throwing the green screen on it. This is the green screen, and now I'm just throwing this green screen on it. Friends, I beg your apologies, because the quality of the video, actually the video was shot by my son, and therefore the quality of this video is not good. And actually fan was also moving very fastly, and therefore wind was coming so fastly, so initially it was very difficult for me to make it. But now you can see that here I have put it, and you can see the setup is ready. So hey guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon